how to enable Listen to Bixby on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to set up hands-free Bixby voice wake-up on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Google. Following that, tap on All Services tab at the top. Now, scroll down and look for Bixby Voice in the list. Moving forward, tap on Bixby Voice to access voice settings. Tap on Voice Wake Up to enable hands-free activation. Toggle on the switch next to Wake with Hi Bixby. A setup screen will appear to train Bixby to recognize your voice. Tap on Continue to begin voice training. Afterwards, follow the on-screen instructions and say Hi Bixby 4 times clearly. Speak naturally and clearly so Bixby can learn your voice pattern. Once you've completed all 4 voice recordings, tap on Done. Bixby Voice Wake Up is now enabled. You can now activate Bixby hands-free by simply saying Hi Bixby anytime. Try it out by saying Hi Bixby and asking a question. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you enable Listen to Bixby on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.